everyone, I am Yash Sharma of 9th standard. Today I want to tell you about the historical monuments. I want to tell about India Gate. India Gate, it is a historical monument situated in New Delhi, India. It was built on 10th February 1921 to 12th February 1931. It was built as a memorial to the Indian Army soldiers who died in World War I. So, who built this? The people of India and most people of Delhi built this. About 2,000 soldiers of India died during World War I. So people think and made this India Gate to rebuild them. Now, in the conclusion, friends, I want to tell you about nowadays many foreigners come and discover the historical monuments of India, in which India Gate plays a very vital role. India Gate plays a very vital role in also in increasing the economy of India. Now at the last, I want to say that Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Next, I want to tell you about Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal was built in 1932 to 1953. Shah Jahan decided to build this as a memorial to his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Mumtaz Mahal died on 1931 and this architecture started on 1932. Shah Jahan decided to make this because he wanted to set as a memorial so world can see that Shah Jahan loved his wife so much. So I want to tell you that how much it cost. About 32 crore rupees Shah Jahan worked and spent it on this architecture. This is made from white marble and sandstone. In the conclusion, my friends, foreigners come and discover our natural monuments and historical monuments in which Taj Mahal is very important thing. Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. So at the last, I want to say that live in India and it is the best. Thank you and have a fruitful day.
Good morning all of you. I am Rishika from class 11th Arts. Today I am going to explain the topic the Himalayas. The world's highest mountain range are of immense importance due to their climatic influence, role as a source of rivers and defense barriers. They also provide fertile soil, support agriculture and tourism, and are rich in forest wealth and minerals. They are a crucial part of global ecosystem, influencing climate, supporting biodiversity, and play a significant role in human civilization. Climatic influence. Monsoon regulation. The Himalayas intercept summer monsoons, causing precipitation in the form of rain or snow, which is crucial for agriculture and water resources in the regions. Defense from cold winds. The Himalayas protect India from cold and dry winds of Central Asia, moderating climate and preventing extreme winters. Sources of the rivers. Perennial water supply. Many of India's major rivers originate from Himalayas, which provide constant water supply for agriculture, industries and human consumption. Thanks.
Good morning all of you. Today I am Inshika from class 11th Arts standing before you to explain the topic the Ganga River. The Ganga River is a vital river in India, both geographically and culturally. It originates in the Himalayas, flowing across the northern and eastern parts of India and Bangladesh before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. The Ganga Basin, home to over 600 million people, supports agriculture, drinking water and the diverse ecosystem. The significance of the Ganga rivers are origin. It originates from the Gangotri glaciers in the Himalayas. Length. It is approximately 2,525 km long. Course. It flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Bangladesh. Basin. The Ganga Basin is one of the largest river basin in the world, covering an area of 8,60,000 square kilometers. Economic importance. It supports the agriculture, irrigation and transportation. Hydroelectric power. The Ganga and its tributaries have potential to generate the hydroelectric power. Thank you. Have a nice day.